Auto steer. That's the button on the joystick. If you hit it, it'll turn on and it'll start steering. So if I set it down on the ground here and I hit the bucket, I can always dump the stick to even make it faster. And I push down a little on the main boom and I pull, and this is a real cool little machine. You see it's on grade, LEDs are kicking on. We're actually aiming downhill a little bit with this box, so it's detecting that. Anyways, when you hold the trigger down, you're going to notice bucket's green and boom is green. So I can turn the boom off where I manually run the boom, like I'm doing right now, or I can turn the boom on where I just push down on the boom with my joystick. If I push down and dig a little bit, it makes it weigh what the boom weighs. If I want the boom to weigh more, I can just push down harder. So the harder I push down, the more it pushes in the bucket. If I want to make the boom weigh less, I just lift up. I can make it weightless like I am now. So the trick to the boom control is you don't have to raise the boom anymore. You just push down. It's setting the weight. The boom will go up by itself. So let's talk about the bucket. If I turn the bucket off, then it's just boom. So if you want to dig yourself, the boom will just run itself, just like what we're talking about with the bucket. So I'm going to turn bucket on. Now we have warm. This is temperatures. Cold, off, or hot, and off. So if it's off, when I hit the trigger, the bucket doesn't move, okay? I'm gonna turn the boom off since we're in there. And when I turn it to warm, try cold, try hot, because the oil's getting hot. It'll turn to that grade. And I've got it set so it's wiggling back and forth, so it's zero deadband. But see it working right there? I can change the temperature of the oil. So if your temperature oil, if it's jerking too much, like that's too much, you can change your oil temperature to a different setting. Basically it's, and warm's the one you normally keep on. Basically it's slow, medium, and fast, or cold, warm, or hot. Same thing, but we're worried about the oil's viscosity in the hydraulic tank, okay? So also I can turn it off, and this is the way I like to teach people. With it off, then I just dump my joystick. So if it's up in the air here and I push it and I dump my joystick, see how it goes? It's going to grade there. If it's up here and I dump my joystick, do the same thing, go to grade. So you can manually control how fast. See, I can make it go real fast, or I can control it the way I want. And that's the way I prefer it, because it feels what the operator's doing. So when I set down, I put it in, I dump, and as I'm going forward, if I go too hard, it bangs real hard. If I go real easy, I can adjust however the strength is that I want it to hit. You can just see it right there. I can put anything I want. And I don't have the boom control on, so it's fighting. That's kind of cool. So one more time, we'll even turn the boom control on. Boom. And here we go. I'm pushing down on the boom. And I'm controlling the speed of the bucket going through. Obviously, we're on a model. Very loud, not in soft dirt. Dragging on steel. You're going to see lots of bumps like that. Anyways, we've got guide. You leave that. If you've got a tilt bucket, you turn on the tilt bucket. Safety will only turn on the boom when you're within a certain elevation for safety. This is the way we normally run, boom, bucket, and we put that on warm temperature so it works. You got a tilt bucket, like I said, you turn on the tilt bucket. You can see how the bucket turns green. Each part turns green when you turn on the hydraulics. Right now we've got the bucket set, and boom, we shut the bucket off, obviously the bucket turns off. I turn tilt off, obviously tilt turns off. That's it.